Hello lovelies! So today I have an unboxing from Creepy Crit, and I do believe we actually did one of these before. I'm not sure when this is from. This just kind of turned up at my mailing address, and I'd had it sitting here while I was busy doing other things, and I just remembered today that I still needed to do it. So let's see what's in here. So last time I got one of these, I believe it was all sort of horror themed stuff. I assume it's the same again, being Creepy Crit. Oh, why is my battery flashing? I just changed it. We'll see how far we can get before it dies and I'll have to change it again. Okay, oh, okay. What is this? See, I'm into horror, but I haven't seen a lot of classic horror, so I feel like a lot of stuff goes right over my head. So we have something. I'm sure we'll figure out what the hell this is at the end. Right now, I have no clue. Maybe like, oh, maybe you put like a bottle in it, you know? Like a bottle to stop like condensation. I don't know who this angry fella on the front is, but I'm sure we'll find out. Okay, so here's the thing that's going to tell us at the end. I'll put that aside for now, because we like surprises on this channel. So, oh god, we have a big old book. Ooh, The Terror, a national bestseller. Oh, and it's not an AMC original series. That's interesting. What's this about? Okay, this battery does seem to be charged. So where were we? Why are you stealing my cat?
Because it's my cat.
No! Okay, so we were learning about this book, The Terror. Okay, so they're in the Arctic Circle, stranded. It's all ice and darkness and scary. And they're struggling to survive with poisonous rations, dwindling coal supply, and ships buckling in the grip of the crushing ice. But their real enemy is even more terrifying. There is something out there in the frigid darkness, an unseen predator stalking their ship, a monstrous terror clawing to get in. Ooh, I am actually quite excited about that. And it's cool that there's a series. I'll have to like read the book first and then do the series. It's a pretty beefy book as well, which is good. So that is very interesting. I definitely like prefer things like that where it's like it's a something rather than just like, ooh, they were all mad or whatever. Like I like sort of like creature horror. Actually, just while we're here, quick horror movie recommendation because I just watched it recently and loved it. A Quiet Place, I recommend so much. I would give it a near perfect 10 out of 10. The only reason it wouldn't get 10 out of 10 are two very small things that I can't say without spoilers, but that might just be personal preference, but it's like almost perfect. I was so stressed out and like on edge the entire time we watched the movie, and at one point the cat like made a noise. I was like, shh. Like it's like stressful, but like if you like horror movies like that, then like A Quiet Place, heavily recommend. Just do it, trust me. I don't want to give you spoilers, so just trust me. Oh, there's actually a movie in here. Crap, I don't actually know if I have anything that can play discs. I'll have to figure it out. But ooh, this is My Friend Dahmer, which I'm assuming is Jeffrey Dahmer. Is this? No. When's this from? 2018? Because are they not doing a movie about Jeffrey Dahmer with your fella from High School Musical? Am I imagining that? Hello, baby. I don't know if I'm imagining that, but I could have sworn he was going to play Jeffrey Dahmer in something, or maybe it was like another serial killer. But this doesn't seem to be that, because it doesn't look like him. So this is the haunting, sad, funny, true story of Jeffrey Dahmer in high school. Interesting. I don't know, like I know the basics about him, I know what he did and stuff, but I don't know a lot about his life, so it'll definitely be interesting if I can find something that can play it. But it's pretty cool you get like a movie and a book and stuff in here. This is definitely a good box for horror lovers. What is this? Oh, you also have an ebook, so it's just like a little flyer, but it has like a link and a code, so you can download an ebook, and it's for something called Death Sentence, and it's the true account of a man who murdered his family in their New Jersey mansion and eluded a nationwide manhunt for 18 years. Wow. So yeah, the digital price list is $9.99, but dollars, but you can actually get it right here for free with this little thing. That is really cool. I definitely think that's awesome. Okay, next up is, I guess this would maybe be like a luggage tag or something, because it has a little thing for you to fill out your details. And this is Briarcliff Manor. And this is where my horror knowledge is letting me down. Also the fact that I have a bad memory, because like it's in that like American Horror Story style font is the word I was looking for, but I cannot remember what the names of anything in that, like I've watched it, but I don't remember the names of the places, so I don't know if it is one of the places in American Horror Story or if it just happens to have that font. I'm sure I'll have plenty, oh well, actually I'm sure it'll say, you don't need to leave a comment because it'll probably say it on there, so we'll find out in a moment, but that is cute, and I have been enjoying like cute luggage things recently. Oh goodness. Okay, and we're down to the last thing in the box, which is cute! Oh, that's adorable. It's Edgar Allan Poe bandages quoth the raven, no more sores. So it's these little bandages with little Edgar Allan Poes on them. How cute is that? That's so fun. I'll have to keep these in my bag. Oh, there's a free prize inside. Hold on. Kitty, why are you tearing up the sofa? It appears to be a temporary tattoo of a roast chicken. So that's odd. Perhaps there's like a reference that I'm missing. But yeah, and you get a bunch of these little bandages in a cute little tin. So that is very cute. So this was very, very fun. Thank you to Creepy Crate. I'm assuming they're the ones that sent this to me. Like I said, it turned up my mailing address and it's very, very nice indeed. I want to just do lots of different, like I would love to do some of the different Harry Potter subscription boxes that there are. Oh, we're going on to the lap now. Yeah, I love doing these. It's just so fun. I really enjoy it. So let me know what you thought of it. Let me know if any of you, oh no, wait. Okay. Aha. Okay, so My Friend Dahmer DVD, yes. The Terror by Dan Simmons, yes. Edgar Allan Poe bandages, yes. Frozen Jack Torrance can koozie. Oh, it's for cans. Oh, okay. I don't know. Oh, it's from the thing, The Shining. Is that the right one? Here's Johnny, that one. So everything has left my head, but yeah, it's him like when he's all frozen, like that really famous part. Okay, yes. And you put your cans in it. Oh, so it doesn't like freeze your hands. That's nice. Yes, American Horror Story Briarcliff Manor luggage tag from the asylum. I thought it was, I had a feeling it was the asylum from that, but I just couldn't remember the name at all. Left my head. That's cool, and it is a luggage tag. And Death Sentence by Joe Sharkey. Yes, that is the ebook. So that is very fun. I enjoyed that. It's definitely nice that you're getting like books and movies and stuff in it. That's like, it's a nice little, I don't know, it's nice. So let me know if you enjoyed this. Let me know what your favorite thing was. Let me know if you are a horror buff. This is definitely the box for you. If you are, I definitely think it's very cute. Consider checking out my Patreon because it supports this channel so much. It supports me so much. It's how I live in this house. I would be screwed without my lovely Patreon supporters. So thank you very much to everyone who's on there. And thank you especially to all the people who are gonna go check it out right now. Gonna click that link in the description. But seriously, thank you so very much. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here and you liked it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.